Aloha, and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today we'll be preparing for you turkey pot pie. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a 9 by 14 inch baking pan, spread the turkey evenly across the bottom. Top the turkey with cream of chicken soup, spreading it evenly, then sprinkle the frozen vegetables evenly over the top. Lay the puff pastry over the vegetables, perforate the pastry across the entire surface, then brush with the beaten egg. Bake for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Cut into 12 pieces, 3 rolls, 4 in each roll, and serve warm. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.